No, you're Tajuan Mack. Mr. Mack, we've had issues with you and your drug patch now. I can't even tell you how many times, countless number of times. You were here not that long ago. Hold on. You were here. I told you last time you were here that I didn't care what it took for you to have a testable patch on when you went back to have it tested. I got an email from Johnny's Auto dated last Thursday, the 25th, where it says you came in without a testable patch on, you claim it fell off, they put a new one on you, and they will update us. So you went in without a testable patch last week, is that right?
No, I'm not even with Johnny's no more. I get my patch from Al Reed.
They test you, Al Reed tested you?
Yeah.
So you didn't go to Johnny's?
No.
When did you go to Al Reed?
Call Al Reed and call Johnny's too. Why would they send us an email that says, do you have a patch on right now? When did you get it?
Thursday? Friday?
Okay, from where?
Al Reed.
From his office?
Yes, ma'am.
Or he might, because Al probably uses Johnny's. Did you have a patch on when you went to see Al Reed last week? Answer yes or no. Are you? Tell me the truth, because we're going to get to the bottom of it right now. You had a testable patch on last week.
Well, you had a patch on. I don't know if it's testable or not.
I gave it to him to test, so yeah.
Did they take it off your arm,
Yes, ma'am.
or you handed it to them?
No, they said that, like, I put it and she get the little tweezers and she take it out.
That happened last Thursday.
Yes, ma'am. I owe Johnny some money from my previous patch.
What?
I owe Johnny some money.
Okay, but that's not what they're saying, so I need to find out why they're saying specifically with regard to you that you went in without a patch on. All right, we got to get our jury seated, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let Anna work on figuring this out with talking to Johnny's and Al Reed. I'm going to have you guys back here. Plan on being back this coming Monday. I'm going to reset it to Monday. If it gets worked out and I don't need y'all here, we'll send you a new reset for a different day. But plan on being back in 1 week, and that way, if something happens, we'll figure it out. They get a jury seated. We're already at 2 o'clock, and I've had a jury waiting for an hour. So.
You don't even sense all this weekend.
Okay.
Talk to Johnny's.
Call Johnny's. That's all right. All right, y'all can go. We'll send you a reset. It was last week. I said,
I did visit.
who'd you talk to?
I talked to Defendant, Ms. Holmes, and Attorney Adams.
Okay.
And he did say, Attorney Adams did say.
Oh, what do you mean if he was elected? I don't know.
Well, if you assigned him to my case.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't work like that. Okay. So are you working?
No, ma'am. And that's Social Security for my husband's death.
Okay. All right, so,
And I do have cancer.
okay, so what I'm gonna do this morning, Ms. Graham, is have you fill out some qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, don't leave it all blank or put zeros, and then I'll take a look at it when you're finished.
A monetary situation will be relieved from it.
Let's take care of this first,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. Did you need
Good morning, Anna. Joan Kraus. And Ms. Kraus, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 0904. You're charged July 16th of 2024. Good morning. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Right. So when you're in case, I expect you to at least try to hire your own lawyer. Are you working?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why aren't you working?
Retired.
Okay. And so you have a retirement. Also is reset your case to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. And Ms. Krause, this is your initial appearance. If you get someone hired, clause number 25, reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, they'll tell you what to do. You're charged if you're unable to hire 2024 payment plans and bring me back. Since you've made bond in your case, that you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer. Discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, so when you're in custody, raising you to at least try to hire your own lawyer. Are you have the ignition interlock device on your vehicle? Why aren't you working? You're not driving, okay? I want to make sure you understand it's a condition of your bond. Retirement, you cannot drive unless you reset your case to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer, okay? You need to, Sarah if you get Henderson, someone hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. Good morning. You're Sarah Henderson. If you're unable to hire different amounts, and Ms. Henderson, did you get someone bring hired? Me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Aren't you working? Okay. And so you have a retirement. Also is reset your case to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. Changed. Okay. You need to, if you get someone hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for. And are so you? I'll let you go ahead and fill out that device on your vehicle. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're not driving like you did last time. I want to make sure you understand that's a condition of your bond. You cannot drive unless you have that on your reset notice. Sarah Henderson. Hired. Good morning. You're Sarah Henderson. Who'd you talk to? And Ms. Henderson, did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
I got 3 people, but my income really changed. I talked to a lady named Scott.
I can't hear a word you're saying. So where are you on being able to get one of them hired? Mm-hmm. Okay. And what do you mean your income has changed? Say? Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I'm going to do, some funds together to hire one of them or anyone else. If you, again, if you get them hired, bring that reset notice. If it's not going to work out with one of them, talk to 3 others. Bring me those names and we'll discuss your options if you're still unable to hire someone. Okay. Crystal Latula, so I'll let you go ahead and fill out that paperwork again. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely, Crystal just like you did last time. And Ms. Latulis, this is your initial appearance, and clause numbers 25 DCCR 0850 and 0851. In each of those cases, you second-degree felony offense of abandoning or endangering a child, and that's from May 30th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Okay. So I'll let you go ahead and fill out that paperwork again. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely, just like you did last time. And then. You need to get a lawyer, and they can file a motion asking. But just with your word, based on what you're charged with, no, I'm not going to allow that at this point. Okay. If you get someone hired before the next court date, I can't hear words that you get today. So where are you on being able to get one of them hired? If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, okay, where you are, I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. Okay. They all charge. So what I'm going to do, some funds together to hire one of them, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. If it's not going to work out with one of them, talk to 3 others, bring me those names, and we'll discuss your options if you're still unable to hire someone. So where are you on being able to get one of them hired? Lisa White. Okay, where do you work? Say? Okay. So what I'm going to do, some funds together to hire one of them or anyone else. Good morning. Are you Lisa White? Bring that reset notice. And it's not going to work out with one of them. Appearance. Talk to 3 others. Number 25. Bring me those names and we'll discuss your options if you're still unable to hire someone. And that's from May 24th of 2025. Crystal Latula. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Crystal Latulis. Okay, and Ms. Latulis, this so is what I'm going to do, Ms. White, is reset your case about 30 days. DCCR 0850 and 0851. Just bring that reset notice. In each of those cases, they'll tell you what to do. Felony offense. If you're unable to hire someone, or if it's not going to work out May 30th of 2025, then I'm ordering you to visit the clerk. She'll give you your reset.
In a tense and revealing courtroom session, a judge confronts a defendant over repeated inconsistencies surrounding a mandatory drug patch, exposing a pattern of conflicting statements that immediately raises questions about credibility and compliance. What begins as a routine check quickly escalates into a deeper examination of truth, accountability, and responsibility as the court navigates through excuses, missing evidence, and uncertainty. Alongside this, multiple defendants face similar scrutiny, struggling to secure legal representation, justify their circumstances, or meet court expectations. Highlighting the system's firm but measured approach, the judge maintains control with a balance of patience and authority, making it clear that effort, honesty, and adherence to court orders are non-negotiable. As tensions build and explanations fall short, the moment underscores a powerful reality. In the courtroom, every detail matters, and when trust is repeatedly tested, consequences are never far behind.